I'm gonna make this video very quick. I just want to give you guys a quick update on the live Ethereum trade that we have been doing on this channel and on our TikTok page. I had live updates all the way up from the beginning of this break right here till now, exact step by step how I'm playing Ethereum and my position sizing, when am I taking profits, everything was on the TikTok videos, was on this channel. Just making this quick video letting you know what I'm seeing next and how I'm going to be playing the next few days with Ethereum and this position. There's a lot going on the screen right now. I've been just live streaming this whole thing. So these are just updates and everything. We literally started right here on Feb the 2nd, 9:30 a.m. with a long position with a tight stop loss, because I told you guys in update number 1 when I told you about this trade that, hey, Ethereum is forming a beautiful rising wedge with a beautiful symmetrical triangle. There's a 30-minute chart squeeze coming to its apex, and it just broke out. So it had just broke out, and this was our first pullback, which was retesting this line right here. That is why I was so confident into entering a bigger position right here with a tight stop loss. Not only was the stop loss very tight, but you had a win percentage RR of 15.91, which made me very, very confident into going in this trade. Even if I lost, I was happy with it because this trade was amazing. So let's get right into the video and let me give you an analysis on what I think the next few days are going to look like on Ethereum. Since we broke out of this, we've just got a straight line to our target number 1, 1710, and we're literally knocking on the doors of 1710. This is a very crucial level, very crucial target. That's why I had it drawn here from update number 1. So as you can see right here, this morning I gave you an update saying after we broke out, this was our first retracement, first consolidation. It was a bull flag where we made lower lows. This was our second consolidation, which gave me so much confidence because not only were we correcting in a higher low pattern, this showed me there was so much FOMO in ETH, because generally when we're correcting in a higher low pattern, there's so much buying happening at these dips right here that you can see these violent all-time highs right after the dips, and the dips are not making lower lows, they're making higher lows, which gave me further more confidence that, hey, we're going to break out. And I told you in the update video this morning that when we break out, this little consolidation pattern is most likely going to take us to our 1710 target, which we currently right now have. As I'm updating this, it's 9:53. I took 75% of my position out on this target right here, 1710. Even though we haven't hit it, this is very close to the target, and I told you this is going to be a key area of significance. That's why I'm taking 75% of my position out right there. Now I still have 25% of my position riding, simply because there's a very high chance that more people are going to see ETH and are going to see, hey, it's up 20%, it's all-time high, FOMO is going to kick in, and we're going to see high chances of overperformance, leading us all the way up to 1840 or even 2000. There is a very high chance that we can see overperformance coming into Ethereum. Simply why I'm leaving a 25% position, and also because I'm waiting for a good setup now, a good little setup that I am comfortable trading and entering a bigger position in. I like to take my profits early. I like to be controlled with my trade. When I enter my trade, I need to know exactly where I'm going to exit, or have to have like some sort of a mental plan on where I'm going to exit, where I'm going to take profits. If you were following me, I told you I took some profits right here. I took some profits right here. I took some profits right here. And I closed 75% of my position on 1680, roughly around there. Now, what is my next step? Like I told you, I'm waiting for a nice dip, which we're getting right now, and I'm waiting for a good pattern, a good sideways pattern, a good bull flag, any type of pattern that I feel comfortable trading before I go into a bigger position and I re-enter the ETH trade with a bigger position. Right now, I have 25% riding, and I'm seeing overperformance in ETH leading us up to 1840 or 2000. Even if that does not happen, I'm happy with the trade. I'm happy that I was able to exit with 75% of my position, with almost 19% of profit with leverage of 5x. It was much more. So that is what I'm seeing in ETH, and that's how I'm going to trade ETH. I see overperformance. I'm waiting for a good pattern for re-entry. If we zoom in, I just want to show you the power of once you have direction, you literally could just dip by and play this over and over again. You got your falling wedge right here. You got your bull flag right here, a symmetrical triangle right here. You got your inverted head and shoulder right here. And finally, we're getting our pattern, potentially a falling wedge right here or a sideways triangle. It is too early to tell, but another beautiful dip by pattern right here, which I'm going to keep you guys updated on this channel. So stay tuned, subscribe and like. Here's another cool little thing. Once we started this little break, once we chose direction, you can see the RSI literally fell into this range, and every time it fell into this range, we made a new high. Look at this. The first time we got the pullback right here where I entered, you can see a new all-time high, came back to the range, new all-time high, came back to the range, new all-time high, came back to the range again, and we want to see what happens here. It is too early for me to tell what is exactly going to happen. I'm waiting for a position to form, a pattern to form before I re-enter.